Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Honda Fit, and on this Honda Fit, this is a manual transmission and it has a reservoir for the clutch pedal, or for the slave cylinder on the clutch, right? So this also has a minimum and maximum, and this uses brake fluid also. And same concept, we don't want this to get too low and get air in the system, and then the brake, or then the clutch release won't work properly like it should. So you want to keep check on that. And again, if this starts leaking and continues to go down and down, I mean, it'll go down a little bit because again your clutch will wear over time and it will go down a bit, but if it constantly goes down, well then you know you got a leak and you gotta track that down and fix it. But the same thing, take the cap off, put some brake, take your cap off, and then we got another little cap here, and take that off, okay? And then you would put your brake fluid in there. This is a dot 3 and or 4, and also use it from a fresh container and fill it up to the max. And that's how you would top off your clutch fluid or the slave cylinder fluid for your clutch to work properly. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.